Number 1.
1977 Chevrolet Silverado, price $8,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It delivers the smooth performance and deep rumble that make these models so iconic. The truck features a long bed design with a slightly lowered stance, giving it a distinctive and balanced look that appeals to both collectors and classic truck enthusiasts. This Silverado remains in very original condition, with its nice paint, clean and well-kept interior, and great tires that highlight the care it has received over the years. The body and trim retain much of their original style, reflecting the timeless craftsmanship of Chevrolet's late 1970s lineup. Whether you're looking for a reliable cruiser, a project base, or a nostalgic addition to your collection, this truck offers plenty of character and mechanical integrity.
Number 2.
1977 Ford F150, price $7,400, well-maintained 2WD long bed pickup equipped with power brakes and a strong 400 engine paired with a new 654-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. It features headers and a custom exhaust system, delivering a solid and responsive drive. The truck runs and drives great, enhanced by a smooth 4-speed transmission and modern Dakota digital gauges that add a touch of updated functionality to its classic interior. Recently, it has received several upgrades, including a new heater core, new front brakes, a new starter, a new alternator, and new heater hoses, all ensuring reliability and comfort. The floorboards and cab corners remain in excellent condition, with no rust, which is rare for a truck of this age.
Number 3.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine, providing dependable power, responsive shifting, and a smooth driving experience. The white exterior shines beautifully, while the blue interior remains remarkably clean and comfortable, showing the care and attention given to the truck over time. With only 136,000 miles, this Chevy has very low mileage for its age, and it runs just as it should: strong, reliable, and free of any mechanical issues. Every feature and component functions perfectly, from the engine to the transmission and interior controls. The truck remains completely original, preserving its classic factory look and feel. Coming from California, it benefits from the dry climate, meaning it is rust-free and well-maintained, with a body and undercarriage in excellent condition.
Number 4.
1999 GMC 2500, price $7,995. It has approximately 206,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in beige, complemented by a gray leather interior that remains in fair condition. It comes equipped with power locks and windows, cruise control, and a cold, fully functional air conditioning system. The truck has been upgraded with all new LED lighting throughout, stylish tires and wheels, and a double DAN stereo system paired with upgraded speakers and a powerful subwoofer, providing excellent sound quality. Under the hood, it retains its factory 5.7L engine paired with a heavy-duty transmission, ensuring strong performance and reliability. Additional enhancements include front leveling keys and Bilstein shocks all around, which improve handling and ride comfort. The truck is also fitted with tow mirrors, making it ideal for hauling or towing needs.
Number 5.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,400, well-maintained pickup with 141,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission paired with a 4x4 drivetrain, providing strong performance and traction for both work and off-road conditions. The truck sports a classic red exterior complemented by a clean gray interior. Over the past 4 years, the current owner has taken good care of this vehicle, ensuring it remains in excellent running condition. Several important components have been recently replaced, including a new starter, new spark plugs and wires, and a new 4x4 control module, all of which contribute to smoother operation and long-term reliability. The truck's registration is valid until 2027, making it ready for immediate use without any additional paperwork or maintenance concerns.
Number 6.
1995 Ford F250, price $9,500. The truck holds a clean title and has been well maintained. Just 2 months ago, the engine oil and filter, transmission oil and filter, differential fluids, brakes, and rotors/drums were all replaced. Since it hasn't been driven much since then, these components are still practically new. The truck runs and drives smoothly, and its 4x4 system functions perfectly, making it a reliable choice for both daily use and off-road conditions. There are only a couple of minor issues worth noting. The passenger side window button occasionally malfunctions, though the driver's door controls can still operate it without any problem. Additionally, the air conditioning may require a refrigerant refill to restore optimal cooling performance.
Number 7.
1978 Chevrolet C20, price $8,000, powered by a robust 350 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This particular example has covered approximately 170,000 miles and runs exceptionally well. It features an off-white exterior complemented by a clean interior, maintaining much of its vintage charm. Equipped with power steering and power brakes, the truck offers a comfortable and confident driving experience. It also includes dual fuel tanks, cruise control, and the desirable camper special package, making it both practical and capable for long hauls or towing. Recent maintenance has further enhanced its reliability with new brakes, a new exhaust system, new tires, and a new battery installed.
These upgrades ensure the truck performs smoothly and safely on the road. Number 8.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000, well-preserved vintage truck that runs strong and smooth. It features a 5.7L 350 V8 engine with a manual transmission, finished in burgundy exterior and a red interior that remains clean and well kept. The current owner is the third, following the original owner who garaged it for about 20 years, and a second owner who had it briefly. It has spent the past 12 to 15 years outdoors, showing normal age-related wear but still in solid condition for a 35-year-old truck. With 128,000 original miles, this Chevy remains mechanically excellent, with no issues in the engine, clutch, or transmission. It's equipped with power windows, air conditioning, and good tires. Minor flaws are mostly cosmetic, the most noticeable being a slightly misaligned hood likely from a small impact years ago.
Number 9.
1980 Toyota pickup, price $8,000. It has approximately 200,000 miles on it and features a manual transmission. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a tan interior, giving it a clean and classic look. The engine has been rebuilt and bored out to a 22R, providing extra power and reliability. It's equipped with a Weber carburetor, a new cylinder head, and a new distributor, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. The truck also comes with new brakes, a new battery, and a set of Mazama open-range SQM tires with less than 1,000 miles on them, offering excellent traction and durability. While it does need a driver-side floor pan replacement and a minor parking brake adjustment, the vehicle runs and drives well with no reported issues.
Number 10.
1987 GMC 2500, price $4,000. It features an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and comes finished in gray both inside and out, giving it a clean, uniform look. The truck is powered by its original engine and is equipped with 2 gas tanks, making it suitable for longer drives. It runs and drives well, and despite some exterior discoloration, the body remains in great shape for its age. Several key components have been replaced over the years, including the front wheel hubs and bearings, water pump, and spark plugs, all done in 2019. A new battery was installed in 2025, ensuring reliable starts. However, there are a few issues that need attention. The truck requires new gaskets, new tires, and new wipers, along with an oil change and a fluid flush.
The ignition steering column also needs repair, although the truck still starts without issue.
Inside, the upholstery is torn, showing signs of wear, and the rear right taillight is damaged.